What up? It's your boy back at it again today. Hey, I'm gonna be nominated for the Oxtail King of the Year. I'm telling y'all, I'm bringing every style I can think of. Let me know what style you want to see and I'm bringing it to you. So I'm gonna be using some, I might be saying it wrong, but some Sazon and some black pepper, minced garlic, onion powder, curry powder, some thyme, oregano, and parsley, and some brownie seasoning sauce. So you're welcome to use fresh ingredients. This is what I choose to use. This is very convenient for me. Check this out. I'm gonna put some parsley in there. So I'm just gonna put a half a teaspoon of parsley. This is gonna be killer, man. I'm telling you. Another half a teaspoon of oregano. A half teaspoon of thyme. You can put a half teaspoon of curry powder. A half teaspoon of onion powder. And we'll put a whole tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic. And you can just put the black pepper how you like it for your taste. Me, I like black pepper. I ran out of the fresh black pepper, so I had to go to this today. And then I'm gonna put my browning and seasoning sauce. Just cover it all over. And I'm gonna throw some flour in here to make it, to fry it up. And I put it in a pan. And I'm just gonna mix it all together. Telling you. So for my veggies, I have some green onions, some sweet onions, some red peppers, orange peppers, green peppers, and tomatoes. I'm gonna add all this in my pot. And we're gonna go ahead and put some beef broth in here. Push our veggies down in. Here you have it here. the oxtail, the Southern smoked ball style. I can't wait to dig into these, man. These will be some kind of good. You seen all the ingredients that I listed in here. You know, hey, these things, they gonna be amazing, man. Hey, and for you new viewers out there, hey, be sure to hit that subscribe button on my YouTube and go ahead and hit that bell so you can get that daily notification when I upload my videos. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.